guys, what's up? I'm Simran and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought of sharing a soft glam makeup look with you guys, perfect for daytime event or a simple brunch date. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So to prime my face, I'm using this Son No Pore blem primer. This is my all-time favorite primer, a great dupe of Fenty primer. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I got eyelash extensions done. So that's that. Moving on to foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation, and I'm using Real Techniques buffing brush to put that foundation. In shade light. And I'm using the same brush to blend that concealer. To set my concealer, I'm using this Covered FX Perfect Setting Powder. I'm gonna let that powder sit on my face for some time, and meanwhile I'm gonna contour my face. To contour my face, I'm using Kat Von D's Powder Contour in shade Subconscious, and I'm using this Real Techniques sculpting brush. This shade comes with the Shade and Light palette. I didn't want to buy the whole palette, so I thought of buying the refill pan. Because it comes with this handy packaging, it's really convenient to use this. To contour my nose, I'm using this angle shadow brush from Sephora. Next up to bronze my face, I'm using ABS Powder Bronzer in shade Cappuccino, and I'm using this Highlight Plus Contour brush from Sephora. shade Angelic from the Star Blush Bazaar palette. To set my face, I'm using this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. For my eyes today, I'm using ABH Soft Glam palette. This palette is right up my alley. I love muted shades. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can see clearly. I got my palette and see what happened. Moving on, first shade I'm gonna go into is this burnt orange. And I'm gonna apply it all over my crease. Next up, I'm taking this shade Dusty Rose, which is a cool tone mauve, and I'm using this same brush to bring this deeper into the crease. That is closer to the crease and more spread out. And I'm going to carry that color down to the bottom lash line as well. Next up, I'm taking this shade Cypress Umber, which is a cool tone brown. Next I'm taking this rose pink shade from the palette on this smudge brush from Sephora, and I'm gonna pop it on the lids. Now I'm gonna go off camera, put on some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm back, you guys. Next up, I'm gonna highlight my face using this Amrezy highlight from ABH. And by the way, I'm using Real Techniques setting brush. I'm using this ABH blush to pop that highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. To line my lips, I'm using this Enamel lip liner in shade Modest. For my lips today, I'm using ABH matte lipstick in shade Spice. Look, you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.